we are going to be flying the A340. I want to say A340-600, 800. Last time was a pretty disaster. I flew at an area that I wasn't really supposed to be flying in, and I paid the price, that's for sure. But today we're going to be flying on a lake today. It's about -2 here in Alaska. So yeah, we're going to also do an onboard flight as well, so we can really look at the characteristics of the plane here. So everything's looking pretty good so far. So yeah, I know the EDFs really like the cold, so we should be able to spool up pretty quick. So yeah, we'll continue to configure here. We're going to put in a 3300, I'm not sure if you can see that, 3300 3-cell 55C. And really we're just going to try to do a fairly short flight. It's been rebuilt, so who knows how it's going to fly. It's a mess in here. And the CG is about where I put the Velcro, so we should be good. We should be solid. As long as it's not kind of flopping around in there, that wouldn't be a disaster. And then we're going to put this camera right on top here. Okay. Rookie move here. Let's make sure we're putting in a full battery. It would make for a good video. We're at 95, balanced, so we should be fine. Plop that right on the top there. Hopefully she flies well. Don't want another disaster. Test the control surfaces. It's just, see, there it is. Doesn't really like the cold too much. Look at that. My control surfaces are not really liking the cold too much. That would throw me in a spin, huh? I gotta warm up my my elevator's a little slow. I guess what do you want for this plane? It was in the cold, yeah. And my services are like, what do you want? It's -2. Okay, because if that freezes up in the air, we're gonna have some problems. We're at flaps at 50%. We do have a long runway. All right, services are working well now. Okay, I think we're ready. I really can't see too well. All the cells are working. Yeah, here we are.
Couldn't.
Well, that sucks. Let's assess the damage.
Oh my gosh.
It's not too bad.
It's actually not that bad, yeah.
But yeah, pretty irritating. That's gonna take, I don't know, months to. I might as well just buy another one. Nacelles in pieces. I don't even know where my camera is. Oh, there it is in the snow. Let's try to get that so we can at least have the video. Look at all the
If you're looking for
the pieces.
a good wreck.
Yeah.
I mean, that was, dude.
Crashes in spectacular fashion.
That was a spectacular crash. That's one of the best crashes
Yeah.
I've seen. I mean,
Oh,
it really
man.
sucks that your plane broke. Cause like if it landed 10 feet over, I think it'd
Exactly.
barely be broke.
Yeah. Killed it.
Jeez. It just wouldn't.
Yeah, basically when I took off, I noticed that it started to do that, and I'm like, all right, well, maybe if I can continue to climb, but it just
Right
continued
when you
to
took
turn.
off, it just wasn't.
No, it took off fine, and then I noticed it was banking a little bit. So I said, okay, well, let's go the other way, and it just wasn't enough power, I guess. I think it was the control surfaces were frozen on that side.
The power didn't have the same power if the power was down?
No, I mean, at this point, it was just more of a, once I was trying to turn, it was just so slow,
Stiff.
it just didn't really go. I was so close to the ground.
Yeah.
If it would have started to do that higher, it would have been fine, but I kept climbing.